Yeah, we can't do it. I like its little antennas. Can you see the two feathers that come up over the top?
Yeah.
You just can't see them in the photos.
It's really, I always think that the brown white feathers are like hard.
Wow.
Because they're like so strong.
Keep your fingers in.
Give me your phone.
So that's stand still and that's right. Stand still. We just keep our fingers in. Because you never know, with Australian birds, they can take fingers. Hello!
Give me your phone.
No, but I don't take the risk. Always keep your fingers in. Cock
In
your
your pockets. Oh wait, they're not right.
or I just take them in. Wow.